As-salamu alaykum, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday Arabic Academy. And if this is your first time here, welcome to the family.
Hey guys, I am Sara and this is Ahmad. And today, we are going to an Arab restaurant.
By the end of this episode, you will be able to walk in, order your food, compliment the chef, and pay the bill. All in Arabic.
And after episode 1, you asked for more phrases and more stories. So today we deliver 15 phrases, 2 funny stories, and a complete restaurant experience in Arabic.
We always listen to our family. Let us go.
Ahmad, tell them why ordering food in Arabic is so important.
Because food is the heart of Arab culture. When you walk into an Arab restaurant and speak even a few words of Arabic, the chef comes out personally to greet you. The owner gives you extra food. Everyone treats you like family.
And guys, I tested this myself. I walked into an Arab restaurant in Paris, said just 3 phrases in Arabic, and they brought me free dessert and mint tea.
3 phrases, that is all it takes. And today we give you 15. Let us start. Okay, part 1, entering the restaurant.
Ahmad, you walk into the restaurant, what do you say first?
Always start with As-salamu alaykum. As-salamu alaykum. As-salamu alaykum. Hello. Peace be upon you. Now repeat after me, slowly. As-salamu alaykum. As-salamu alaykum. One more time. As-salamu alaykum. As-salamu alaykum. Peace be upon you.
The waiter will respond, Ahlan wa sahlan, welcome. And then he asks,
Kam shakhss. Kam shakhss. How many people? You answer, shakhsan. Shakhsan. 2 people. latheeth ashkhas. Latha ashkhas. 3 people. arba'atu ashkhas. Arba'a ashkhas. 4 people.
Guys, repeat each one. Shakhsan, 2 people. Thalatha ashkas, 3. Arba'a ashkas, 4.
Now, part 2. Let us ask for the menu.
You sit down. How do I ask for the menu, Ahmad?
Very simple. Al-qa'ima min fadlik. Al-qa'ima min fadlik. The menu, please. Repeat. Al-qa'ima min fadlik.
Al-qa'ima. That is the menu. Min fadlik. Please, guys, you already know min fadlik from episode 1. See how it comes back?
Every phrase builds on the last one. That is how Arabic works. Part 3. Time to order your food.
Now the fun part. Ordering. Ahmad, how do I say I want?
The magic phrase, Ureedu. You redo. I want. You redo. I want. Add anything after it. Watch. أريد الكباب من فضلك. أريد الكباب من فضلك. I want the kebab, please. أريد الفلافل من فضلك. أريد الفلافل من فضلك. I want the falafel, please. أريد الحمص من فضلك. أريد الحمص من فضلك. I want the hummus, please.
Guys, Ureedu plus any food plus min fadlik. That is your ordering formula. Ureedu al-kabab min fadlik. Practice it right now. What do you want to eat? Say it in Arabic. Okay, guys. My friend Clara from London visited me in Paris and we went to an Arab restaurant together. Clara had been studying Arabic for 2 weeks and was very proud.
I already know this is going to be amazing. Keep going.
The waiter came and asked what she wanted. Clara wanted to say, Ureedu al-hummus. I want the hummus. But she said, Ureedu al-hammam.
Al-hammam means the bathroom. She ordered the bathroom.
The waiter looked at her very seriously and said, The bathroom is to your left, mademoiselle.
The lesson. Al-hummus and al-hammam are very different words. Hummus, hammam, say them slowly.
Clara still laughs about it to this day, but she never forgot the difference.
Part 4. Asking questions at the restaurant.
What if I want to ask what something is?
Easy. ما هذا? ما hatha. What is this? ما hatha. What is this? Point at anything on the menu and say ما hatha.
And if I want to ask if something is spicy?
هل هو haar? هل huwa haar. Is it spicy? هل هو haar. Is it spicy? The waiter will say نعم. نعم. Yes. لا. لا. No.
Na'am and la. Yes and no. The two most important words in any language.
Part 5. The most important part. Complimenting the food.
Ahmad, how do I say the food is delicious?
This phrase will make the chef very happy. الطعام لذيذ جدا. الطعام latheeth. jiddan. The food is very delicious. Say it with feeling. الطعام لذيذ جدا. الطعام لذيذ جدا. The food is very delicious.
Guys, say this in any Arab restaurant and watch what happens. Free dessert. Guaranteed.
And an even stronger compliment. Masha Allah. Masha Allah. God has willed it. Wonderful.
Masha Allah is one of those phrases that Arabs absolutely love to hear from foreigners.
Sarah, I have a story from Cairo. An American tourist named Tom discovered the phrase Masha Allah and absolutely loved it.
Oh, I feel like Tom used it a little too much.
He used it for everything. The food arrived. Masha Allah. The waiter brought water. Masha Allah. The bill came. Masha Allah.
Even the bill? Masha Allah for a bill?
The owner came out personally and said, My friend, why do you say Masha Allah for the bill? Are you happy to pay?
What did Tom say?
Tom said, In my culture, we say Masha Allah for everything beautiful, and paying for this amazing food is beautiful.
The owner was so touched he gave Tom a discount, so sometimes using Masha Allah too much actually works in your favor.
The lesson, Masha Allah is for wonderful things, but sincerity always wins. Part 6. Asking for the bill.
How do I ask for the bill, Ahmad?
Very simple. Al-hisab min fadlik. Al-hisab min fadlik. The bill, please. Al-hisab. The bill. Min fadlik. Please. Al-hisab min fadlik.
And if I want to ask how much?
Bikam hatha. Bikam hatha. How much is this?
Guys, Al-hisab min fadlik and Bikam hatha. Two phrases that will serve you in every restaurant, every shop, every market in the Arab world.
And part 7. Always finish with a compliment when you leave. شكرا جزيلا. الطعام كان رائعا. شكرا جزيلا. الطعام كان رائعا. Thank you very much. The food was wonderful.
Shukran jazilan. Thank you very much. At-ta'am kana ra'iyan. The food was wonderful. Say both together.
And always finish with as-salama. As-salama. Goodbye. Go in peace.
Ma'a as-salama. You already know this from episode 1. See, it all connects. Okay, guys, let us review everything from today.
1. As-salamu alaykum. Hello when you enter.
2. Kam shakhss. How many people? Shakhsan. 2. Thalatha. 3.
3. Al-qa'ima min fadlik. The menu, please.
4. Ureedu. I want. Ureedu al-kabab min fadlik. I want the kebab, please.
5. Ma hatha. What is this? Hal huwa haar. Is it spicy?
6. At-ta'am latheeth jiddan. The food is very delicious. Masha Allah.
7. Al-hisab min fadlik. The bill, please. Bikam hatha. How much?
8. Shukran jazilan. At-ta'am kana ra'i'an. Thank you. The food was wonderful.
And always, as-salama. Goodbye.
Guys, 15 phrases. A complete restaurant experience in Arabic. Are you not amazed? Before we go, one of you asked for more phrases and more stories. We heard you. This episode was for you.
This is what makes Everyday Arabic Academy different. We listen. We learn together. You are not just a viewer. You are part of this journey.
Every week you come back, you learn a little more, you get a little closer to speaking Arabic confidently. And that is something to be proud of.
Next time you are in an Arab restaurant, try just one phrase, Al-hisab min fadlik, and watch the smile on the waiter's face.
That smile, that is worth everything. We will see you next week for episode 3.
Inshallah, we will be right here waiting for you.
That was episode 2 of Everyday Arabic Academy at the Arab restaurant.
If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe and hit that bell. Every week we bring you new phrases, new stories, new adventures in Arabic.
And tell us in the comments, what do you want to learn in episode 3? We read every single comment.
Share this with a friend who loves Arab food. They will thank you.
Until next time, everyone.
As-salama.
As-salama. See you next week.